Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix a BSOD error in Microsoft Edge. A BSOD error while using Microsoft Edge is usually caused by system issues like faulty drivers. It can also be caused by hardware problems or corrupted system files, not the browser itself. First, update Windows in your device drivers by opening Settings with the Windows and I keys. Go to Windows Update and make sure Windows is updated to the latest version. Install any updates if they are available. Once that is done, update your graphics driver. Press the Windows and X keys, then go to Device Manager. Wait for it to load, then find Display Adapters. Click the drop-down for Display Adapters. Right-click the option there and choose Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers, and the best driver will be installed. After that, go back to Microsoft Edge and clear your browser cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, then select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Click Clear Now. You should also disable all of your extensions from the Extensions tab. After that, go to System and Performance, then turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Once that is done, completely close your browser and reopen it. If it is still not working, open Command Prompt as administrator. In Command Prompt, type sfc/scanow and hit Enter. Also check for overheating or hardware issues like RAM or GPU problems if the issue continues. Finally, restart your PC, then reopen Microsoft Edge. Your issue should now be fixed. That's it. We just learned how to fix a BSOD error related to Microsoft Edge by updating drivers and clearing cache. We also disabled graphics acceleration and extensions, scanned system files, and checked hardware. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.